Education in medieval India. Education in the medieval period was the prerogative of the church, especially during the early medieval period. Most of the secular education was concerned with classical Greek and Roman subjects, while a significant section was taught syllabi comprised of religious education. Some of the prominent Hindu universities are Taxila, Nalanda and Vikramashila was the great centers of learning. Today, we are going to learn about education in medieval India. Education in medieval India. Medieval period witnessed a radical transformation with the introduction of Muslim education in the Indian subcontinent. That country was invaded by various foreign rulers and several traders from different parts of the world. The tradesmen and invaders brought with them their own cultures and intermingled with the people of the country. Besides religion, society and culture, education in medieval India also experienced a new perspective. The aim of education during Muslim period was the illumination and extension of knowledge. In the 11th century, Muslim rulers established elementary and secondary schools. Education developed with the fresh aspect during the period as there was an excellent interaction between Indian and Islamic traditions in all fields of knowledge like theology, religion, philosophy, fine arts, painting, architecture, mathematics, medicine and astronomy. Islamic education in India. However, before the arrival of the Muslim in India, a developed system of education was already in place. Muslim rulers promoted urban education by bestowed libraries and literary societies. They founded primary schools in which students learnt reading, writing and basic Islamic prayers. And secondary schools were established to teach advanced language skills. Several madrasas were set up by the sultans and nobles. The main objectives of these madrasas was to train and educate the scholars who would become eligible for the civil service. Iltutmish was the first ruler to establish madrasas at Delhi during his rule. Gradually, many madrasas came into existence. Education under ulema. The system of education in medieval India was under the control of ulema. During those days, education was related to religious training. However, various subjects such as medicine, Arabic literature, grammar and philosophy were also taught. History states that Arab and Central Asian people brought Muslim educational models to India in both the medieval and early modern periods. Women education in India was prevalent during the medieval period. Raja Jai Singh of Jaipur encouraged learning of scientific subjects. Besides, many institutions were started by private individuals as well. Madrasa of Ghiasuddin in Delhi and the Madrasa of Maulana Sadruddin at Shahjahanabad. Next one is education under British. In the later medieval era, the British came to India and introduced English education. With the coming of European missionaries, Western education made firm advances in the country. Various universities and thousands of colleges were formed and popularity of education increased. Lord Macaulay, Lord Member of Governor General's Council, was insistent that Western education should be imparted through the medium of English. In 1835, the government decided to impart Western education in India through the medium of English language. In order to run the administration, the British were in need of Indians who had received British education. Through the new system of education, Indians were introduced to new Western ideas, modern reforms, science and technology. Universities were established at Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata in 1857. Role of Christian missionaries. Europeans came to India for trade and established trading companies. They acquired lands and constructed fortresses. Later, they went to spread their culture and religion among Indians. The Europeans thought that they could make Indians understand the administration and religious theories better if they could import education to the local population in their own method. So they started educational institution. The Portuguese were the first Europeans who started modern system of education in India. Francis Xavier, a Jesuit, started a university at Cochin. They started many primary schools. The first college offering degrees on completion of a course was started in Goa in 1575, where the Christianity, logic, grammar and music were taught. John Kinder was one of the most zealous pioneer and was perhaps the first missionary in India to introduce education for non-Christian children as evangelist agency. In 1812, Dr. C.S. John established 20 free reading schools in Tranquebar. Zeuxenbalg. Followed by Portuguese, the French opened their institution for all the Indians, where education was imparted by Indian teachers through local languages. They started higher secondary schools where French language was taught. Two German bishops named Zeuxenbalg and Pluscham started schools at training college for teachers in Travancore. After the arrival of English East India Company in 1600, institutions were established for imparting instruction in English. Gradually, Sanskrit college were opened in Madras and Benares. Elphinstone College. The first bishop of Calcutta, the Reverend Middleton, started a missionary college at Calcutta, which became as famous as the Bishop's College. Monsters Elphinstone was actually a strong advocate of vernacular education, but on his retirement in 1827, his admirers collected funds and established a college offering English classes named Elphinstone College at Bombay. Missionaries were made a good deal of attempt for propagating of education in India. Due to their efforts, many institutions were established. These institutions imparted Western education as well the Indian education. Thank you, students.